Masyado akong malikod. Hola, 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 ¿cómo estás? What should we do today? Today is cold outside. I'm gonna check.
Mom, where's my iPad?
Your iPad? I think it's inside the bedroom, baby ko. It's on the yeah, in the closet. Mega love shout out to all of you guys.
Mine was 100%. How did they do that?
Mega love shout out to our first liker for today's live. Thank you so much for giving us likes. Okay, I'm going to. Oh, I can't pin this one. Why? Thank you so much. It's very cold
Did you go to
outside.
school before?
Oh yeah, I went to school.
What about you?
Elementary, high school, and college. I went to school.
What about them?
And them, they also went to school if they're done studying. Okay, everyone, just going to sit down here. As hindi steady yung aking camera. So I'm gonna put it here and make it steady.
Or look
Okay.
like friends.
Hmm?
Or look like
Look
friends.
like friends. Okay. It's Thursday
Tomorrow's Friday.
morning here. It's 9:29. Time check. It's 9:29 a.m.
9:29
in
a.m.
Ottawa. So I'm going to check the temperature that we have this morning. It's -8 and feels like -14. That's our weather for today. And it's cloudy. The humidity is 71%, precip 10%, and the wind 11 km/h. And warming expected over the next 3 days. Oh, we're going to have the sun again in the next 3 days. Yes. On yeah, on Monday and Tuesday we're gonna see the sun. Oh no. From today, tomorrow and Saturday it's gonna be cloudy. And on Sunday it's going to rain here in Ottawa.
Oh yeah, because when the clouds are making rain for a while and then the next day they're raining.
Yeah, so my question is, what is the coldest month in Ottawa?
It was the snowstorm.
Snowstorm month, baby month. We have January to December. So the coldest month in Ottawa is January.
January.
Yes, and it's during the winter season. You're correct. During the winter season, but the coldest month is January. And it lasts for 4 months, the winter season. So we already doing live for 15 minutes. I'm going to say bye-bye soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So whoever you are, to our, well, we have 6 live viewers right now. Whoever you are and wherever you are, mega love shout out to all of you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you to our first liker, first and only, one and only liker. Oh, there's more there.
The poo?
No, the two Paloma over there. Yeah,
What Paloma?
your friend. I'm not going to open the.
What's Paloma?
It's cold, guys. You can just watch from here.
What's Paloma means?
Paloma, it's dove.
Dove?
Yeah. Oh, the two lovey-dovey.